Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I got a special treat. First time trying Indian food. I shouldn't say first time because I've had it in one of those food trucks, but it's been several years. So we're trying this new restaurant that's been by our house for quite a long time, and believe it or not, we've never tried it. So Indian Nepal oven. So, I mean, they got some good selections here. I'm not really sure what to order. I do know just kind of the popular chicken curry, or I know the naan. Obviously, the naan is great. It's almost like a Mexican. In Mexicans, we have Mexico. We have the tortilla. Obviously, you guys know what the tortilla is. So the naan to me is a little similar to that. It's just thicker, and maybe it's a little more moist, like bread or something. So, but yeah, I'm gonna look through this here and see what here. Let me show you guys here the menu, so you can actually see. I'm not really sure what to order. I'm gonna ask recommendations from our waiter. The only thing I know, obviously, is the curry, the chicken. What is it? Chicken masu or?
The tikka masala.
Tikka masala. I've heard of that, so I think I'm gonna try that. But yeah, look, there's the naan right there. It's good stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to be spinning this and bringing this to you guys, so you guys can actually see my real-time reactions to the flavors and in the food. So stick around. You know I got to represent my team, Avalanche. Let's go, baby! Stanley Cup. So check this out. What did he call this, babe?
I'm not sure.
I have to ask him again. But look at this. This is like a thin chip. I don't know if you're supposed to dip it in this sauce. Here, let me try it. This tastes like a green, almost like a green salsa. Try this one. This one's sweet, and this one's like a green salsa. Let me try to show you guys a little better without making a mess. That's the green one. That's the red one. So, not bad. Try it. That's sweet and that's green, but let me set you guys back a bit more. Hopefully you can. So I ordered the tikka masala with lamb. That's like a soup based. I don't know if you'd say curry, but it's a, sorry guys for all the bouncing around. It's a soup-based dish that they have here. If you guys are familiar with eating Indian food, let me know. Put it in the comments. Let me know what this is. I'm gonna ask the server. He just told me, but I totally spaced it out. But also let me know what's actually a good entree to order. Like I said, this is our first time here. But I ordered the tikka masala with lamb, and then I got the tandoori chicken wings. I've heard really good stuff about that, and I got a garlic naan. What did you get, babe?
Just chicken curry and a samosa. Samosa things.
Yeah, my wife got chicken curry, and then samosa. It's an appetizer. It's, what is it, like a bread or something?
It's just like a pastry with potato and peas
and stuffed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, we'll show you guys when it comes out. This is all new to us. So, okay, we got some appetizers out, samosas. These are looks like a naan kind of flavored. It's hot, so I think it's deep fried. It's very hot, and he said he put what, potatoes in there?
And peas.
Potatoes and peas. So we'll let that cool down before we try it. Found out what these are called. Papadum. You can see how thin it is and the texture, and it's got some little flax seeds or something in there, but it's really good. Just like, I guess, almost got a tortilla chip kind of texture and flavor.
These are called chutney. So this one's a mint, cilantro, and then I don't know what the other one.
And this one's called chutney. That one's mint, cilantro. I have my wife Googling it, so I don't sound ignorant.
So this one is like a date chutney.
So the red one's like a date. That's why it's sweeter. I like the red one better. You know what the green one tastes like? Have you guys ever juiced and just made your own like green juice at home? Sorry for all the moving on the table we're on. It's kind of one of those lopsided tables, but yeah, the green one tastes like if you were juicing, when you juice and make your own like kale, cucumber, or green apple type of juice. That's the first taste that it reminds me of. And then the aftertaste, you can taste some like cilantro, the mint in there. So it's good, but I like the date one. So I like hot stuff, right? I've heard Indian food can get really hot. So I ordered between 5 and 10 on my, what's it called again? Tikka masala? On my tikka masala, I ordered a 5. But I asked him, I do like hot, so can I get an extra side of the hot sauce or the flavoring on there? He said, yeah, so he gave me this. Let me see if I can show you guys without spilling it. Can you see that? Without spilling it. So he said this right here is enough to make a 5, move to a 5 to a 10. Now I dipped my finger in it, so you can see, because I'm like, let me see, it can't be as hot as. That's hot. That's got some kick. It almost has it's not really even salty. It's like a bland hot. I don't know how to explain it. It smells almost like what are those chilies used in that salsa? That red?
Chile de árbol.
Yeah, almost like chile de árbol. It kind of has that smell, but it's not seasoned with like how you make that salsa. Chile de árbol, you put garlic, salt, kind of put some flavor on it. This one's just plain bland, but just hot. So we'll see. I may end up pouring it all in depending on how I like it. All right, guys, so we just got the spread back. Let me show you here. Golly, let me show you. Let me do. It's not gonna do just. Okay, we got the tandoori chicken. Look how yummy that looks. Okay, tikka masala with lamb, rice, and of course the naan. So everything looks bomb.
Wait, mine's the same.
.com. Is it? Let me try this. Let me get I'm gonna try this appetizer again. Or not again, but try it. What did you say this was again, B?
It's a samosa and it's like a pastry with like potatoes, turmeric, peas.
Yeah, look at that. Potatoes, turmeric. You guys can get a better view. It almost has the feel and texture of like a chimichanga. Okay.
So mine's a 7 and it's not hot.
It's not hot? Ooh, that is spicy, that thing too. So I'm put the rice on my plate, and then we're gonna pour the. Let me let you guys check this out. That's not right if you can't see it, right? Let's see here. Tandoori chicken. Look at these big chunks of chicken, guys.
Lamb.
Or lamb, I'm sorry. As I'm making a mess. It smells great. Mmm.
What did you get? A 5?
Wow. Yeah, I got a 5.
I got a 7.
I got a 5. She got a 7, so she's giving me a hard time about it. But we can change that real quick with this.
I probably could have gone higher too, but this is perfect.
This is great. Nice and creamy. Garlic piece of naan. I'm gonna try this lamb. Mmm. Wow. Wow, this is good. Did not expect this kind of flavor. I don't even know how to really explain. It's creamy, spicy. The rice is cooked just right. It's not sticky. The naan is nice and garlic. Mmm. Good call. Try that up just a bit.
Did you want to try this one, the curry?
Yeah. She got a 7. She got the chicken curry. Let me try this. Look at those big chunks of chicken, guys. Look at that. I mean, those are big chunks of chicken.
You should.
Well,
I was gonna say you should just put it in your little bowl. I thought you were gonna mix it with your food.
I just tried it. I'm gonna put some more of this on my rice. Wow. Literally, this has so much flavor, this food. So much flavor. And if you like spicy food, you need to try Indian food. Want to try the lamb?
I'll just do a little piece.
It's seasoned so well. It's not even. I mean, you can taste the lamb just a bit, but
Oh, that's good. Did you think this was spicy?
that was a little spicy. I should put more. Should I do it? Take it from a 5 to a 10. Let's turn this party up a bit. Hopefully I don't be having a party by myself pretty soon, if you know what I mean. Little one-man party in the small little room. Because I'm just feeling the vibes right now. Let's try it. Guys, the cook came out. He's like, what's going on? You haven't touched anything. I said, I'm getting it set up. I'm doing a mukbang. He's like, what is that, a YouTube channel? I go, yeah. Oh, what's your channel? So I had to give him my channel. He's gonna shout him out. Very good. Wow. Wow. Wow, I don't know what else to say, but wow, this is a first time experience and it's wonderful. That's why I got to be out here trying different things, right? Instead of trying the same old thing. Is it getting spicy?
A little bit, not too bad. It's just kind of like if you did like a really hot, like green chili or something. It's good. That's very good.
The lamb is so tender, it just falls apart. Really good. I'm gonna have to talk to the cook after this, and he did a knockout job. I'm gonna try these tandoori wings. This is another plate that I hear a lot of that is really good. Let me try it. Some of this lime on here. Everything's great, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I get you anything else? More rice, maybe?
Yeah, I'll get a little more rice, please.
All right, how about you, miss?
No, but can we get another naan?
One more garlic naan?
Another naan, Mike?
No, I'm good on the naan.
All right. So
Thank you.
One garlic naan?
One rice and one garlic naan.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Look at that. Look at how good these wings are cooked, guys. That's like the perfect wing. Crispy on the outside. Wow. Oh, guys, I just covered it with some lime. Wow. I'm speechless.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and just a few minutes for the garlic naan.
Okay, thank you.
Wow. Who knew? You guys knew about this and what didn't tell me about it? Come on. Keeping me in the dark? Man. You know it's good when I'm quiet. No tomato. I need to find this recipe for these wings. Go and try some, babe. These are big wings. Brought me out a whole nother tray of rice to finish the naan. I mean the naan, the tikka masala lamb. Refill. Let's see. Babe, try the wings.
Do you do like a house Chardonnay or something? If I could have that, and then this is very bad. So I'd like a glass of water, a glass of Chardonnay, and then just a glass of ice, because I feel fancy.
What do you think?
Oh, sorry, plain
Hmm?
garlic naan, lamb side, medium spicy, and the vegetarian was like
Yeah,
and same level of spicy.
I actually feel
You guys already know I love chicken, so
Okay, gotcha. Alright, and
I eat chicken every day.
2 glasses of ice water, 2 glasses of coffee, and a glass of ice water.
yes.
Mmm.
Chardonnay, I'll know that.
Wow, it's filling.
It is.
I have to take some of this home. That rice is gonna get you too. I mean, look at this little dish, guys, but it's filled to the top. Man, that is good. What do you think?
I knew it was good because I've had it before, but when I had it with my coworker, we had 0 spice. So this is better.
Wow. My wife's waiting for her other naan to finish her plate. But these chicken wings, man. Tandoori chicken.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Can I get
Tell the cook, man. Great job. This is
Thank
wonderful.
you. Yeah, I'll let them
For our
know.
first experience, you know, this is great.
Thank you, thank you. Can I get you anything else?
No,
I
that
think
is
we're
it.
good.
Alright.
Thank you.
Having it with spice is way better than without.
hmm
That's just my preference.
Did you have it without spice last time?
0 spice.
Mm. Mm. When I said I've tried this, when I've tried Indian food before, I did, but it was at several years ago, and it was from one of those food trucks, and it was a truck that was called Little India from a restaurant that was here in Denver, but they would drive around, and I had it too. I had the curry, just a chicken curry with the rice and no spice, and the naan. Naan's by far the best part. So sorry for all you guys that are doing low carbs or no carbs. Look at that. Looks like a flaky. Look at the garlic shine on that. Looks like a thin crust pizza. A thin pizza crust. And it's toasted on the back. Wow, dude. That one's better than the first one. That's still warm. Mmm. You still got the garlic butter on there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm definitely going to take this home because there's no way I'm going to finish the second helping of rice. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Sorry guys, there wasn't a lot of talking in this one, but you guys got my first time reaction of trying the tandoori chicken. I mean, all these meals were actually my first time trying, except the naan. But man, it was great. Wonderful job. Flavorful. Definitely going to be back. How are you guys keeping these secrets from me? Tell me. So you guys hook a brother up. Tell me what other good spots to try. What other foods to try. No, I've been living under a rock for 20 years. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for coming along with me. for my first time experience trying a different type of Indian cuisines. Wonderful. We'll definitely be back here. Again, this place is called India Naple
Indian Naple oven.
Indian Naple Oven. So we will definitely be back. Great job. Hats off to the cook. You guys don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.